Okay, so let us start with this. My name is Masa Harshit Dalvi and अभी जो यूनिट टेस्ट हुआ था उसके मुझे आंसर्स बोलने हैं. So let us start with this. First we have the fill in the blanks and इसका आंसर is interconvention of the energy, the process of the changing energy from one form to another इसका आंसर. And then we have second one जिसका आंसर is electrical. Then we have your hydroelectricity. Then we have the plane. Then we have the speed of the light, सबको पता है, that is your 3 into 10 raised to 8. Then we have the red color is dash color is the primary, obviously. Then we have the true and false. So what we have, the in oscillating pendulum U is equal to K, this is true. And then we have the again in the dynamo, the electric generator, the mechanical energy is transformed into the electric energy is true. Then again a true, then again a true. False कहाँ पे, the angle of the reflection is twice the angle of the incident is your false. Then again your true, when the light from the sun, this answer is your true. And then what we have is the odd one out, petrol, coal and plastic. Obviously your plastic, because when we have the petrol and coal is we can use this as the fuel. And then we have the electric heater, iron and LED. This was one mistake while writing, वहाँ पे electrical वहाँ पे नहीं लिखा गया. So बहुत से लोग सोचेंगे this is a iron. तो iron may be a normal iron as a what we can say a metal. So what I have suggested answer, what पहला इसका आंसर बस LED था, but since there was a mistake in the electric वहाँ पे लिखा नहीं था, तो I will say even the iron is the answer and LED is also the answer. Then we have your chemical energy, light energy and the rotational motion, obviously rotational motion because वो motion है, बाकी दो energy है. Then we have a green, yellow, red and your blue. Yellow is a secondary color, textbook में दी है. Then what we have is glass, oil and water. First of all इसके answers answer तो इसका glass ही है, लेकिन the thinking is really different. Just I can say like this कि water is a liquid state, then oil is in liquid state, glass is in solid state, or otherwise I will say the change in the medium, what I will say denser and rarer, ये फर्क भी मैं बोल सकता हूँ. Then next one is easy, the incident ray, normal, reflected and reflected. तो इसका answer is the refracted, means your this REFRACTED. इसका answer is just because कि बाकी as per the law your incident ray, then your normal and your reflected वो सब एक plane में, and ये थोड़ा अलग है. Then the next is 21 question, that is इसका answer is heat, then your chemical, then your turbine. And there was one, yes 22 वाला which energy does the nuclear power plant have first. यहाँ पे ऑप्शन इज केमिकल एंड योर इलेक्ट्रिक. यहाँ पे न्यूक्लियर एनर्जी ये क्वेश्चन में नहीं था, तो मीन्स इन योर ऑप्शन. सो ये जो क्वेश्चन है ऑफ दिस आई विल गिव मार्क्स फॉर द बोथ केमिकल भी इलेक्ट्रिक, बिकॉज द ओरिजिनल ऑप्शन वाज नॉट बीन गिवन. सो यहाँ पे एक मार्क मिलेगा जिसने कुछ तो टिक किया है. देन व्हाट वी हैव इज द बाउंसिंग बैक ऑफ द लाइट. Obviously this is your reflection. Then what we have is a ray of light traveling towards the mirror, incident ray. Okay, then your 26, the angle between the normal and the reflected ray angle, this is again the obvious answer, angle of your reflection. Then we have the multiple choice question. So energy can be converted from one form to another, so iska answer obviously your energy. Then we have your electric energy. Then again what we have, the photosynthesis. And फिर we have last में 3 sums, and ये सब टेक्स्ट बुक में and your MCQ and your numerical sums मतलब वो सेशन में. Then what we have is the first का answer, if the angle of the incident is 30, then the angle of the reflection, ये obviously 30 है, a law, this is a law. Then what we have, the incident angle of the ray of the light is 45, the value, find the value of the again same 45, लेकिन ये लास्ट वाला चेंज होगा. The ray of light strikes a plane of the mirror at the angle of 25, मतलब यहाँ पे वो स्ट्राइक हो रहा है. If this is the mirror, यहाँ पे वो स्ट्राइक हो रहा है, तो and what has been given, this is 25, this is 25, तो बचा अगर ये normal है, so what will be this, then what we have is as per the formula, your 90 minus your 25, obviously the answer is your 26. And अगर अभी भी किसी को कुछ problem है in this answer, you can surely comment on this, you can suggest, so we will surely discuss on this. And yeah, that's all, and yes, best of luck for your next exam.